look in my eyes, they tell no lie. Take a look in my eyes, they tell no lies. You see my tears, ooh. I guess I was wrong, trying to be so strong. Signs were so clear, and I told myself I would never be with someone who could not love me. I got caught up in the fantasy, but honestly, put it on me this time. If it makes you feel better, blame it on me. You can lie, but it don't even matter. No, no. 'Cause heaven knows everything you did to me. Why in the hell it takes so long to leave? Put it on me, it's all mine. If it makes you feel better, makes you feel better, go and say it's my fault. Tell folks I lost, 'cause losing you is a win. 'Cause even through the heartbreak, it's better than the mistake of trying again and again. Oh, and I'm not right, you're just who you are. I just shouldn't have let this thing go so far. You wasn't worth all this, I should have stayed on my own. I should have been gone. Put it on me this time. If it makes you feel better, blame it on me. You can lie, but it don't even matter. No, no. 'Cause heaven knows everything you did to me. Why in the hell it takes so long to leave? Put it on me, it's all mine. If it makes you feel better, makes you feel better. Never thought that we'd end like this. Got fooled when we made love, it was fake love. Was it really real? Did you ever feel for me like I fell for you? And all the things that I did for you, for you, you know it's true. Put it on me this time. If it makes you feel better, blame it on me. Blame it on me. You can lie, but it don't even matter. Don't even matter. 'Cause heaven knows everything you did to me. Why in the hell it takes so long to leave? Put it on me. Put it on me. It's all mine. If it makes you feel better, makes you feel better, you can put it on me. You can put it on me. If it makes you feel better, put it on me. You can put it on me. Blame it on me. Put it on me. Blame it on me. Put it on me. All on me. All on me.
This dance is called It's All Mine, choreographed by Takahashi. It's a 3-2 count, 2-wall, high intermediate level line dance. There is one bridge and one restart with a change step in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, forward, recover with a sweep, behind, quarter turn left, stepping forward, step forward and make a spiral forward turn right, forward, quarter turn right, side rock, recover, cross, side, left foot, back twinkle, right foot, back twinkle. Section 2, back and make a half turn right, develop your right foot, forward and make a half turn right, sweep your left foot, cross, side rock, recover, touch, facing left diagonal, quarter turn right on your right foot and drag like a sweep your left foot. Press forward, step down, Monterey, half turn right, point, half turn right together, point. Section 3, forward, half turn left, stepping back, 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 half turn left, stepping forward, 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 kick, hitch, big back step and drag your left foot, back, half turn right, stepping forward, step forward. Step right foot forward and make a spiral full turn left, forward, step forward, pivot half turn left, step forward. Section 4, forward, forward with a hitch, back with a sweep, back with a sweep. Behind, side rock, recover, cross, side rock, recover, weave, cross, side, behind. Step right foot to right side and sway to right. 1 1/4 turn left, quarter turn left forward, half turn left, stepping back, half turn left, stepping forward. Last step, now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and R, 4. 5 and R, 6 R. 7 and R, 8 and R. 1 and R, 2. 3 and R, 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and R, 2 and R, 3 and R, 4. 5 and R, 6, 7 and R, 8. R1, 2, 3, 4 and R, 5 and R, 6 and R, 7, 8 and R. Last count. There is one bridge in this dance. The bridge happens on wall 3. You dance up to 9 and R count, then add a 2 count bridge, then continue finish wall 3. Now let me show you the wall 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and R, 4. 5 and R, 6 R. 7 and R, 8 and R. 1 and R. These are 9 and R count. Now add a 2 count bridge. For drop, recover and sit. Then continue count 2. 2, 3 and R, 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and then continue finish wall 3. There's one restart in this dance. On wall 5 you dance up to 15 and count, then change the step on count 16. Then continue on section 4. Now let me show you the wall 5. Wall 5 you'll be facing front wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and R, 4. 5 and R, 6 R. 7 and R, 8 and R. 1 and R, 2. 3 and R, 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. You change it to a half turn right sweep. Then continue section 4. R1, 2, 3, 4 and R5 and R6 and R7, 8 and R. That's wall 5. There's a slightly change on wall 2, wall 4, wall 6. When you're facing back wall, the last section you'll be facing 3 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. R1, 2, 3, 4 and R5 and R6 and R7. Change to 7 and side sway, point, 7 and 8 and R. Last for wall 2, wall 4 and wall 6 to match the music. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.